5 traps that secretly destroy your 20s. You are not lost, you are just stuck in traps no one ever told you about. Your 20s are supposed to be the most powerful year of your life, but for most people, they become the most wasted. Not because they are lazy, not because they are stupid, but because they are distracted. And today, I will show you 5 traps that silently destroy your 20s. So you don't wake up at 30 full of regret. So, trap number 1, waiting for the perfect time. You keep telling yourself, I will start when I am ready, I will start when I have money, I will start when everything is perfect. But here's the truth, perfect timing does not exist in this whole world. While you wait, someone less talented than you is already winning. Your 20s are not for perfection, they are for mistakes. Because mistakes in your 20s are cheap, mistakes in your 30s are very expensive. If you keep waiting, you won't just lose time, you will lose full of confidence. Trap number 2, comfort addiction. Comfort feels safe, right? Scrolling, watching, doing nothing. It feels harmless, but comfort is the most dangerous drug because it does not destroy you instantly. It slowly makes you average. Every time you choose comfort over effort, you train your brain to avoid growth. And one day you will realize you did not fail because life was hard. You failed because you chose easy. Trap number 3, chasing validation. You post, you check likes, you compare your life with others, and slowly you start becoming living for others, not for yourself. In your 20s, this is one of the biggest trap because validation is addictive. But here is the problem, the more you chase approval, the more you lose your real identity. Real success comes when you stop asking, what will people think? And asking, what do I actually want? Not because of them, because of you. Trap number 4, toxic environment. Your environment decides your future. If you are surrounded by people who don't dream, don't act, don't grow, you will slowly become like them. Not because you want to, but because it's normal around you. Your 20s are not just about working hard, they are about choosing who you spend your time with. Because energy is contagious. Stay around losers and your mindset will lose. Trap number 5, no clear direction. Many people in their 20s are busy, but not moving forward. They try everything but commit to nothing. And that's very dangerous because motion is not progress. If you don't choose a direction, life will choose one of you. And trust me, you won't like where it takes you. Clarity does not come from thinking, it comes from doing. Pick something, start, adjust later. Your 20s are not a joke, they are the foundation of your entire life. The habits you build, the risk you take, the people you choose, they will define your future. So don't waste these decades sleeping on your potential. Because one day you will either say, I'm glad I started early, or I wish I had. The choice is yours.